Nice, I love the guys. So basically, man, I'm still in the kitchen. All right, look at this. This is some pasta which I cooked earlier. Pasta and tuna. And I have a little bit left over. But look at this nice, lovely vegetable which I just make. And I have some left over. Now what I want to do, I just want to add like roughly about 2 tablespoons to it. And let's give it a mix. All of these ingredients on my Instagram page at Chef Ricardo Cooking. Alright, so if you do something like this at home, you know what I mean? Yeah, mix up some pasta with all the vegetable. And not only that, you can bring that to work and you can share with your co-worker or with your friend. And honestly, it's just come out amazing, simple and easy. But this one will be coming to you very, very soon. Alright, let's share it up and make you guys see how this look on the plate. This can be served cold. It's like how the time is a little bit warm. Yeah, this is what you want to do at home. You want to do something like this. Alright, but this recipe, the ingredients, all of them is on my Instagram page. You know what I mean? How to cook pasta and tuna. It's there. Everything is there for you guys. Honestly, just fantastic and amazing. And all I'm gonna do, I got some fresh coriander. Let's break up some fresh coriander, or if you got some flat pasta, and that's simple. Yeah, put it on top of it. All right. Beautiful one. Enjoy it, subscribe, and just leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more recipes. A lot more ideas will be coming from Chef Ricardo and the team. Alright, we respect one up, and now I'm just trying to share some tips and ideas with you. This is just a tips which is gonna come very soon. Stay tuned. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically I'm gonna make a ripe banana punch. Alright, so basically I have 1 fingers of ripe banana which I put in my freezer. Take it from my freezer, I'm gonna put it straight inside of my blender. Ripe banana punch. I got some Irish mash. I got some vanilla. This is Nutriment, super gent we call it in Jamaica. I'm gonna put roughly about a tablespoon of sweet condensed milk. And you can put some spices in it, some vanilla like cinnamon, mixed spice, and nutmeg egg also. Alright. Teaspoon of vanilla, your favorite. Wow, that's a little bit too much for me. And I'm just gonna blend this about 2 to 3 seconds. Nice one. That's it. So easy and simple. Let's share it up. Alright? And that's how we normally do it in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo. Look at that. Fantastic and an amazing. The flavor and the whole texture. You can do the same thing at home, guys. Make a simple little punch, you know? Right, banana punch. Yeah. I just drink that in the morning. Or in the evening. Whatever. Yeah. Just like how we make Guinness punch. You know what I mean? So you can just add your one, twist it when you're making it, alright? I love every one of you. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. We've got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. As I said, you can make your own ingredients and twist it and tweak it as you like and as it goes on. Alright? See you next time in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo and the team. Bye bye.